Nano is right now at the number 185 position in the cryptographic money market. It had an ATH of $37.62 on Jan 02, 2018, while the ongoing cost is just $0.8537, somewhere around 97.71% from its ATH. Has the XNO token lost its appeal? Will Nano recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other important questions in our Nano value expectation and substantially more. Based on our XNO expectations for the year 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around 74 cents and $1.81 individually. The XNO crypto is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $2.10 and $3.03 individually, according to our Nano coin cost forecast 2025. Our Nano token cost forecast 2030 demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $10.68, with a likely low of $7.42 in the crypto market. What is Nano crypto? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The attention is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Nano plans to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was additionally planned with new information structures and different systems to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The negligible block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, subsequently diminishing the exchange affirmation times and making it quicker. Without the customary evidence of work and mining, hubs utilize essentially less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a design for each block, which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-produced evidence of work esteem, a COES prioritization component, permitting a periodic client exchange to process at quick velocities. This exchange requires some investment of a couple of moments to be executed on current computer chips. This lightweight construction makes Nano super quick. Nano likewise has a creative agreement instrument called Open Delegate Casting a Ballot, ORV. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's benefit, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a critical part of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization. In view of our Nano cost expectation, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The Nano cost estimate for long-term end is $0.688. The ongoing cost of Nano cryptographic money is exchanging above 84 cents. According to our Nano cost conjecture, the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of 76 cents and the most extreme value level of $1.87. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $1.74, according to our Nano cost expectation. Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13347396662 after the ongoing year, as per our Nano cost expectation. As per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2023, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $1.15. The Nano cost can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $1.19, with a typical cost of $1.07, according to our transient estimate. Nano specialized examination. The ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the principal half of 2018. These value highs were galactic, and no measure of ludicrousness ought to have had the option to drop them. Indeed, there is a justification behind that. Before all else, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with virtually every rendition of Bitcoin and comparative clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the venture exhortation from the monetary councils, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated due to the absence of national banks to direct it and having no genuine worth. This was trailed by gigantic selling and a cost change as short vendors likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Any reasonable person would agree that assuming the coin mirrors an upturn and returns to its record-breaking high, it will probably continue a pattern that other digital currencies will likewise continue on the lookout. Clients need to carry out specialized examination for exchanging. They can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, and on the off chance that there is no cost unpredictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The framework is solid, and the improvement group is as yet buckling down on it. Yet, the drawbacks are additionally there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, worthiness is non-existent since it isn't tremendously known external a little circle. This makes it truly challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost expectation. Additionally, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of enormous unpredictability. Nano coin value forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $1.81, while the base cost may be around 74 cents, and the typical cost might be around $1.27 in light of our Nano expectations. All the cost levels mirror the indication of an expansion in the cost. XNO value expectation 2024, there is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. As indicated by our Nano gauge, the cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $2.36, while the base level might be $1.64. Simultaneously, a typical level is expected to be around $2 in the year 2024. Nano value expectation 2025, according to our Nano estimate 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.03 in the year 2025. While the base and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56, separately. In the event that the cost arrives at the greatest level, it will be valuable for speculation purposes. Nano crypto value forecast 2026. In light of the Nano coin cost expectation, the Nano cost could go up to $3.92 in the year 2026, with a base cost of $2.72. Simultaneously, the typical worth may be around $3.32. Best of all, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized anyplace on the planet. Nano expectation 2027, taking a gander at the Nano value forecast and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme worth of XNO might be around $5.07. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3.52 and $4.30. XNO crypto value expectation 2028. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost forecast recommends that the potential low and exorbitant cost might be $4.50 and $6.48. Simultaneously, the token could have a typical cost of $5.49. Nano value forecasts 2029. In light of the Nano coin cost expectation, the symbolic will exchange at a limit of $8.29 and at least $5.76. While the typical worth of the XNO crypto may be $7.03 for the year 2029. Nano value expectation 2030. In light of our Nano cost expectation for 2030, XNO